There have been times in history when the universe seems to be warning us, and one of them might be now. The James Webb Space Telescope just did something extraordinary. It captured the first real image of an object that could alter everything we know about our place in the cosmos. Officially, it's cataloged as 3I Atlas, a supposed interstellar comet. But what if it isn't? What if it's not even a comet but a vessel? An alien craft silently crossing our path, disguised in ice and dust, moving through the solar system with no clear goals. Stephen Hawking warned us decades ago, do not transmit signals into space because they might come if they hear us. We didn't listen. For over a century, Earth has been shouting its presence into the dark, and now something is here. What the James Webb saw is not just strange, it may be the clearest indication yet that we've been found. And whoever found us may have been planning this moment for a very long time. When astronomers first spotted 3I Atlas, it was dismissed as just another comet, a harmless wanderer from the depths of interstellar space. But the Webb's imaging revealed something no one expected. Its structure, along with the surrounding dust cloud, didn't match known comet behavior. The path it took was razor-perfect, lying exactly in the orbital plane of the planet, something nature practically never does. Then came the shocking speed, 255,000 kilometers per hour faster than any known comet of its size could travel without propulsion. To put that in perspective, at that speed it could cross the entire United States in under 2 minutes. And yet, it wasn't just moving fast. It was moving smart. It performed close flybys of Venus, Mars, and Jupiter using their gravity as slingshots, a maneuver that space agencies plan years in advance for deep space missions. The odds of this happening by chance? About 1 in 20,000. That's when Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and his colleagues began to suspect. This wasn't just a rock wandering between stars. It was something else, something designed. What makes 3I Atlas even more unsettling is its timing. Its closest pass to the Sun, its perihelion, will occur when Earth is on the opposite side of our star. For several weeks in late October 2025, it will vanish completely from view, hidden in the Sun's glare. No telescopes, no radar, no tracking. In space terms, that is the perfect opportunity for something under intelligent control to act. Imagine it, during those silent, unobservable days, hidden propulsion could fire, altering its course with surgical precision completely undetected. When it reappears, it could be headed in a new direction, and by then it would be far too late.
This is the kind of maneuver impossible for a natural object but trivial for a sophisticated probe disguised as a comet. Loeb's team warns this timing isn't a coincidence, it's an opportunity, and if the object is what they fear, that opportunity is intentional. If you wanted to send a probe across the galaxy without being noticed, what better cover than a comet? A sturdy core wrapped in ice and dust, venting gas as it approaches the Sun, creating a blinding halo that hides everything inside. Telescopes can't see through it. Radar scatters off its uneven surface. Any heat signatures from onboard systems would be lost in the chaotic outgassing. It's nature's free stealth technology, ready to be replicated by anyone advanced enough. NASA has even studied ice shielding for deep space missions, not just for protection against micrometeoroids and radiation, but for long-term survival in interstellar space. For a civilization millions, or even billions, of years ahead of us, constructing a comet cloak probe would be child's play. And here's the chilling part. If 3I Atlas is one of them, it has remained unnoticed, just another traveler passing through. Until now, if this object is artificial, what's its mission? Loeb offers two possibilities. Friendly or antagonistic. Perhaps it's an explorer or robotic scout mapping our solar system, collecting samples, returning data home. But history gives us darker precedents. The Trojan horse was a gift until it wasn't. And every time a more advanced culture has encountered a less advanced one, the results have rarely been good for the latter. If the object is armed, the stakes are unthinkable. A 12-meter-tall body striking Earth at its current speed would release energy millions of times greater than the most powerful nuclear bomb ever detonated. Global firestorms, years of blocked sunlight, the end of human civilization. NASA is rumored to have a backup Plan 3 to intercept 3I Atlas if necessary, but with its incredible speed, any intercept mission would need to launch early and far from Earth. It's possible the Webb's first image gave us only a clue. The real test will come after it emerges from behind the Sun, if its trajectory has changed. then we won't just be looking at an alien object, we'll be looking at a decision someone or something has already made.
The James Webb Telescope revealed something that left researchers stunned. By splitting the light of the object into its component wavelengths, Webb found what it should not have: evidence of compounds and metals never seen on any cometary body. Certain reflective patterns resembled engineered alloys, the kind you'd expect on a spacecraft, not a frozen rock drifting through the void. Even more disturbing were the heat signatures buried beneath its icy surface. Too steady, too precise to be explained by sunlight alone. It hinted at something generating power from within, an artificial heartbeat hidden in the dark. To Lou and his colleagues, this wasn't speculation. It was a fingerprint, a whisper of technology, the kind Stephen Hawking once warned us about. For decades, humanity has lit up the cosmos with our transmissions, radio, television, even deliberate messages. A century-long flare in the night sky, shouting our presence to whoever might be listening. If this 3-eye atlas is a probe, it may not be here by chance. It may be here because of us. Within NASA and in hushed Pentagon circles, whispers of a classified program grow louder. Shield 3? On paper, it's a last-ditch plan to build an interceptor capable of altering Atlas's course. In reality, no existing rocket can reach it in time. Engineers are racing to test nuclear propulsion, solar sails, even ion drives. But with each passing week, the odds shrink. And if Atlas swings out from behind the sun on a direct approach, Shield 3 may be humanity's only shot. Global observatories are locked on the object. The Webb telescope continues to detect strange anomalies, faint rhythmic pulsations in its dust emissions, subtle shifts in spectral structure, patterns some dismiss as natural, others fear are signals. Soon, Atlas will vanish behind the sun. When it reappears, everything could change: its speed, its course, its purpose. This may be our last chance to know whether we've discovered a relic or been discovered ourselves. When 3-eye Atlas emerges again, the world will be watching. If it follows its predicted path, it may slip back into the void, just another mystery among countless stars. But if its trajectory shifts, we'll know the truth: someone is steering it. The Webb has already shown us what it looks like. The real question is, what does it want? Is this a lonely machine, drifting and curious? Or the sharp tip of a spear, a first step in a plan older than our species? In the silence of space, even the smallest shift in course can be the loudest message ever sent. And as the date of reemergence nears, one thought grows harder to ignore. We are not observing it. It is observing us.